Hey everyone, in this video we will be going through how to get set up on Capfolio. So first you need to open the browser, and the platform works best with Google Chrome, but you can even use Safari, Firefox, or Edge. The direct URL to the platform is displayed on the screen or in the description box down below. Once there, you can click on Get Started to create a new account or log in with an already existing account. I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. Once you have input your email and secure password, you will receive an email confirmation. Click the link in your email to verify your account and you will be taken to the platform. However, at this point, since you don't really have any exchanges linked, you can't really access the trading terminal, the dashboard, or set up any automation bots yet. However, you'll be able to run backtests, view the social leaderboard, or the research section to see the latest news and sentiment. But now, let's go ahead and link an exchange account. Go ahead and click on Link Exchange. Then I'm going to go ahead and select Binance because that is the exchange I'm currently using. Then from Binance, you're going to want to enter the API key and the secret key. If you need help in finding these two things, there are platform-specific instructions on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, in terms of security, no API keys and secrets are stored in the database. We always use security modules or HSMs to encrypt the data. These are FIPS 140-2 level 3 validated, which is a pretty big deal. But for more details around what that actually means, I provided a link in the description that explains more about that. Now, as you can see here, I've entered my Binance API key and secret. Remember, this platform only requires read-only and trade access. Please ensure that you do not check the transfer access button while creating the API key. If you do accidentally do this, the platform will not allow you to link your exchange account. This is just an added security feature. Once you have done that, you can now place trades and access the rest of the platform. In the next set of videos, we will talk about each section in detail and how to use them. Thank you for watching.